All right, for those of you that are unaware, I have been trying to find an inexpensive dash camera for the average person. And you saw that I have reviewed some really cheap ones here in the past, and I will tell you that none of those made it past 60 days, or I think one of them made it a little bit longer than 60 days. The summer heat just killed them. Um, Now, my Lucas dash cams are very expensive compared to what we're looking at here. And I'm also did a review or an unboxing on the Aukey dash cam that I put in James's car, my son's car. Um, that one is being evaluated as we speak. So this one I'm going to install in the Mustang, and let's see how it does. Now, I didn't only get the camera, I also got the GPS logger, which I'll open for you here in just a second, and I got a very specific SD card. So Rexing says that you need these SD cards for their cameras. But let's see what we got here in the box, and I'm working one-handed, so forgive me. Okay, dash cam paperwork, manuals, etc. I know what that's going to be. It's going to be the camera itself, and it is. Now there's a slot here for the GPS logger, power, and then this slot closest to my thumb is for the an external rear camera, but it's not supported on this particular camera. Power button, SD card slot, reset button, and this little round thing here adjusts the camera lens. All right, let's see what else is in here. I already know what it's going to be, but you guys don't, so you get to be surprised. They give you a little tool to help with your installation of tucking in wires and whatnot. Here we have the USB cable to plug the camera into your computer to do updates and download footage if you don't want to remove your SD card. Here is a power plug that plugs into your cigarette lighter plug. Now, I will tell you that I've got the hardwire kit on order for this. It just hasn't come yet. And then these are the mounts and the 3M tape to mount them to your window, and then these are to hold and clip your wire to the windshield out of the way. All right. So the next thing is going to be the installation, and I will walk you through the installation when we get there. Oh, I didn't show you the logger. Okay, so here is the GPS logger. Now, in the reviews that I've read on this 3M tape on the back here is said to be problematic, so you may want to have some extra 3M tape on hand to stick this up on your windshield. And that cord is not very long. You typically want to get this as far away from the camera as possible, and it just plugs into the port. If I can get this to focus, right there. All right. So next thing's going to be installation. Okay, so here's the mount right here. It just says double-sided sticky tape, and then I mounted the GPS unit up here. Now, one thing I want to make a note of for you guys is that this uses 3M gray adhesive tape, double-sided adhesive tape, which is about the best double-sided tape you can get. They use it to hold on auto trim and all kinds of things. It is good stuff. This used some generic kind of tape, so I'm guessing that's going to come down pretty quick. And actually, when it does, I'm going to remount it down here below the mirror instead of up here where I've got it. I think it'll get a better signal down there, and it's not going to interfere with the with the radar detector there either. So, all right. So let me get the dash camera up, and I'll show you what that looks like, and then I'll get you some on-the-road footage so you can see what that looks like. Okay, again, so because I haven't gotten the hardwire kit in yet, I'm having to use the cigarette lighter plug that comes with it, which means I have to plug it in and unplug it every time I want to use it, because this plug stays hot all the time. Okay, we can adjust the camera angle. Here you get the menu. Let's see if you guys can see that. Oh, I gotta stop recording. Let's see. Okay, record is off. Menu, no, menu's over here. There it is. Here we go. So then you can run through all the menu settings and set it up however you need to set it up. You can also use that. There we go, back to recording. You see the little red dot. I don't know if you can see it there. That means it's recording. All right, so let me get on the road and get some footage. We'll see how it works.